3-ingredient fruit roll-up you'll actually like. In a pot, add 2 cups of frozen mango with a squeeze of lemon and
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
You are the youngest
EFOC.
ever.
I'm 10 years old.
4 years old.
I'm 10 years old.
How old are you?
I am 82 years old.
You are the youngest person ever.
No, that
Coffee.
years. How old do you feel, Steven?
I'm 4 years old.
Steven here.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
4 years.
How old are you?
I am 82 years old.
You are the youngest.
Spelled backwards is